Guys, welcome back. What we're going to talk about today is adding vinyl, crackle, and other noise to your tracks. There are a lot of ways to do this, but really there are only just kind of a few right now. You definitely want to head over to the shop, guys, right within the app. Just head over to the shop. I'll pin actually one of the videos I did recently on one of the more recent packs, the Dub Techno pack, to show you guys exactly how to do it. Super simple, but let's just get into it right now. So as you see, as you hear, get on some headphones, guys, so you can check out this record crackle. Guys, look, again, winning with blends is Justin Blends back again. Let's dive in just a little deeper, okay? So within this chill, let's go for it. Let's dive in. Within this, let's see right here, we're going to go to Direct Wave Sampler, and we're going to go to Chill Lo-Fi Mobile. Now, the reason why I'm not showing you exactly how to do it now is because I am on the desktop version of FL Studio Mobile. I know it sounds ridiculous, but it's amazing that we can do this. So right here, you would see the shop right up here. Unfortunately, because I am on the desktop, you will not see that shop pop up. Hence the reason I'm not showing you exactly where it is. But like I said, I've got that video tagged so you can see. So now within that, let me just load it again so you guys could see Chill Lo-Fi Mobile, and you scroll down, and you're going to find vinyl background. You're also going to find Atmos background. So I've got both of them loaded already, and here we go. So the vinyl background, as you can hear right here, we've got that record crackle. We've got a variety of sounds, okay, different ones. Let me actually lower these drums so you can hear more of that crackle. And let's drop this as well. You hear that crackle, guys? We've got a variety of sounds. Let me zoom out so you guys can see here. Okay. Variety of different types of record crackle. Oh. Leave that on for now. Okay, so this is how you can add record crackle to your song. Let's just add some right now. I'll just do this for the length of the track, and we're going to do, this is a B major, so let's do an E. Okay, let's just run an E, and it doesn't really matter, it's just record crackle, right? But we're going to add record crackle for the duration of the track. We'll let it loop, that's fine. Okay, so there you go, there's record crackle playing. But let's just say we wanted to add a little bit of background. So there we go, guys, like already simply put, we've got some record crackle playing, right? Now, of course, we can EQ this as we want. We could sidechain it, we could do so much, I don't know why, but we can adjust the frequencies of this as well. So you guys hear that? And I'll let it go over just a bit, just so you guys can hear that extra crackle towards the end of the mix. Listen to that. Right? Now, we also have background noise. So let's check out some atmosphere, some background. This is more like coffee shops and different sounds. Let's take a listen. You hear that? Let me solo these. You hear that? Okay. Right. Let's go a little deeper. Right. Some atmosphere. Coffee shop. Some rain. Right. Again, some rain. Okay, outside. I like this one. Actually, let's add this one right here. I'm going to add this background noise to this track here just to create a bit more, of course, a bit more atmosphere. So I'm going to move this. Let's move this over here. Oh, you hear that? Let's move this over right there. And this one, okay, it's a C3. Let's go down right here. That's a B3, sorry. So let's do that. Okay, let this thing play out. Here we go. So let's pump this up just so you guys can hear that. And the longer you hold it, some of these actually have a little more. You hear that? All right, let's make it longer so that we don't get too much of a straight loop on that sound, okay? You got the police, you hear the storm coming in, right? Guys, that's it. Let's play this all together. Just adding some atmosphere. So it starts off with a little bit of that. Okay. Right? Now I pushed up the levels just so you guys can hear that a little more clearly, but I think you get the point. With this chill lo-fi pack, you've got record crackle right there, and you've also got a variety of atmospheric sounds to bring your mix to life. And one of the beautiful things you can do, of course, is like panning it and separating it to create more of that space, just more of an immersive feeling. Great for introductions, great for, let's say, perhaps some type of skits and just things like that, you know, just good textures for your mixes, guys. Guys, again, Justin Blends, winning with Blends. I want to thank you guys again for joining this one, and I genuinely hope you enjoyed it. Please do leave some comments. It helps me understand a lot of what you guys like, what you're up to, the things that you enjoy, what drives you in this music space, and just overall, just what you guys like, all right? Again, winning with Blends. Check out the description, give it a like and a thumbs up, a like and a follow is what I meant to say, guys. All the best to you guys, all right? Until next time, all right, take it easy. Nice. Let's go.